Dimensional Academy was launched in the year 1999. We have completed 14 years of excellence with more than 1000 editions in the classroom version. We have crossed 25 online batches successfully. More than 1000 design engineers are created by us who are working at high positions in diverse industries across the globe. Our online program is a boon to the international professionals drawing participation from all over India and abroad. This online program is more extensive and gives good time to learn and digest important multidisciplinary concepts that form the industry requirements.
Up till now, we have discussed different types of actuators, control valves, its use, its function, its specification wise, use, and the application wise installation. Now we will see in detail the control valves. Control valves, introduction of control valve may discuss in this session. Why? Because control valves are the valves which may be used for controlling purpose. We can tune your process, we can do the necessary changes in system as per the process requirement. So in this session we will discuss more and more about the control valve. This is the intention. So to give overview of control valve, we'll discuss what a control valve is and what it does. Clear? Again, we'll identify main components of a control valve, explain in detail the importance of control valve terminology and typical applications or installation applications of control valves. How does it works? This is also a functional importance. Objective of studying this or objective of discussing about the control valve is that upon successful completion of the description of the control valve, we can do exercise that how valve works. We can do the exercise that one case study has been taken, that this is a line and this is the application basically, and which type of valve is fitted in this line, how the valve is sized, how the tuning of valve has been done as far as PLC tuning as well as SCADA tuning is considered, and the for taking better controllability, for making the loop more and more effective, we can have a discussion on this. We can define many of the terms used to describe the control valve application as well as operation. We will describe some of the applications where control valves actually are used. Clear? What is a control valve? So control valve is a device which can use for a on and off purpose. We can use for a control purpose, rather than we can call it as a on off valve. May be converted, may be translated, or may be made in an automated format as a control valve.